Hi guys, I'm Paul. In this video I'm going to deep dive into Akash Network, the first operational Supercloud platform. I'm going to explain how many Akash I think you'll need to be a millionaire, and I'll also give my detailed price prediction for the next bull run. I will cover Akash's tokenomics, as well as key points to consider and the future outlook for the Akash Network. The information in this video is meant for education and entertainment purposes only and should not be taken as financial advice. Okay, now let's begin. About Akash Network. Akash Network is an open source decentralized cloud computing platform that leverages blockchain technology with the aim of connecting users needing cloud services with cloud providers looking to lease out their excessive computing resources. Akash's blockchain technology is powered on the Tendermint consensus engine, which is said to be the gold standard consensus engine for building proof of stake systems, and the Cosmos software development kit, which is a popular open source framework. What makes Akash stand out is it offers a much more cost-effective cloud computing solution, as it's 80% cheaper than its centralized competitors like Google Cloud and Amazon Web Services, and is able to do this through its containerization and open source Docker engine. The Akash Network launched in 2018 by a company called Overclock Labs, who are a team of technology professionals and blockchain developers. The co-founders, Greg Asari and Adam Bosnich, have a background in cloud architecture and software development, and Greg stated that they started Akash to be a decentralized alternative to the traditional cloud computing industry. Akash brands itself as the Airbnb for cloud computing, as while Airbnb connects unused space, Akash looks to connect unused cloud computing resources, and the Akash decentralized marketplace stores on-chain records of requests, bids, leases, and settlement payments, all using the Akash token. Akash's all-time high price at time of recording is $8. Akash supply and tokenomics. Akash Network has a maximum supply of 388 million tokens and a circulating supply at a time of publishing around 229 million tokens. When Akash initially launched, they had a token allocation of just 100 million tokens, but started to produce around 288 million extra AKT tokens as inflationary staking rewards. AKT is a native utility token of the Akash network and is primarily used to secure the network through staking, is the main unit of exchange to store and transact value, and also for on-chain governance, which allows token holders to vote on future proposals, and voting rights are weighted by the number of tokens staked. The initial token distribution of the Akash network is as follows. 8% is allocated to Ecosystem, 20% is allocated to Decentralized Cloud Foundation, 27% is allocated to team and advisors, 35% is allocated to investors, 2% is allocated to public sale, 4% is allocated to vendors and marketing, and lastly, 5% is allocated to testnets. Akash is currently working on AKT 2.0, which will bring new token features and utility to Akash and the AKT token, with the goal of increasing overall value to the network through its funding pools that will support network growth and development. The attached image shows an overview of the take rates and distribution pool flow for AKT 2.0, and the main features already live include take and make fees and stable payment and settlement. Just to explain what these are, take and make fees work by a tenant paying a take fee when taking liquidity from the marketplace, and a make fee is what a provider pays when making liquidity available to the marketplace. The take fee is deducted from the order when created, and make fee is set by the network through on-chain governance. Stable payment and settlement work by Akash Network implementing a multi-token settlement mechanism for using stable tokens to pay for hosting to allow users to predict the cost of hosting upfront. Whitelisting of tokens can be done through on-chain governance. AKT Staking. Staking is an important part of the Akash ecosystem and allows users to contribute to the security of the network, and by doing so earn rewards in the process and have a say in the on-chain governance by voting on new proposals. The Akash network has implemented the Cosmos SDK staking module, which means staking works the same way as it does on the Cosmos chain with Atom, and users can calculate their staking rewards on the official website based on the amount of money and staking time as shown. It should be noted that for anyone looking to stake tokens, it does come with risks. Like for example, there is a lockup period of 21 days, which means you cannot take your tokens out of staking during that 21-day period. But to help choose a reliable validator, Akash do provide a list of verified providers on their staking rewards site, marked with a blue tick next to them so you can see. The Supercloud for AI. The artificial intelligence market and any companies associated with AI have seen tremendous growth recently. Just look at Nvidia, for example, whose market cap is valued at over 2 trillion, making it at time of publishing the third most valuable company by market cap, just behind Apple and Microsoft. And why is Nvidia's market cap so high? Nvidia manufacture graphics processing units, otherwise known as GPUs, which power the complex AI systems today. So what does this have to do with Akash, I hear you ask? Well, Akash Network now support Nvidia GPUs with the first operational Supercloud or Cloud of Clouds, which give companies a way of accessing compute resources, including GPUs, from a range of providers. On the Akash website, they state that the network that powers the Supercloud has been in the making for nearly 7 years, ensuring it has been fully tested across various cloud services, ensuring it's ready to be released to the open market. The main features are to enable an open source marketplace for high density GPUs and will offer support and testing for Nvidia with the aim of supporting other manufacturers including AMD in the future. Access to consumer grade GPUs is how the Akash Supercloud looks to stand out from other cloud providers, and also its flexibility to enable a wide range of GPUs available as well. On X, formerly Twitter, Akash recently announced that 64 units of the new Nvidia H100s and A6000s were now available for the next 12 months on the Supercloud at the lowest price on the market. So we can see Akash Network is looking to play an important role in the growing AI market moving forward with its Supercloud infrastructure. The Akash Ecosystem. The Akash ecosystem is fairly new, but covers a wide variety of sectors including AI, memes and DeFi. We can see a range of AI projects available on Akash, including Thumper AI, which empowers users to generate high quality images tailored to their unique requirements. In the meme sector, we have Chihuahua Chain, the first interoperable meme coin with POS blockchain, which is said to be the most utilized chain in the Cosmos ecosystem. Finally, in the DeFi sector, there are a range of companies including Osmosis, which is an interchain liquidity lab that allows users to swap, earn and build on the leading decentralized Cosmos ecosystem. Key points of Akash Network. The Akash Network has several benefits that make it a great cloud computing platform, including cost effective. Akash is 80% cheaper than its centralized competitors like Google Cloud and Amazon Web Services, which will make it appealing for users. GPU cloud computing. Akash offers an open source marketplace for high density GPUs, which will play an important role within the growing AI marketplace. 100% decentralized. Akash is built on a decentralized framework, which means no single company or entity controls the network. Security and privacy. The Akash network is encrypted and distributed across the network. This ensures privacy and security for users. How many Akash to be a millionaire in the next bull run? Okay, so before we look at the price prediction for Akash in the next bull run, let's remind ourselves of Akash's previous all-time high price, which was $8. This price gave it a market cap at the time of around 350 million. To give some context to the potential for the cloud computing space and AI market size moving forward, if we look at Statista article published on August 2023, they have stated that the cloud market is expected to grow to 472 billion by 2030, and in another Statista article published on August 2023, they have said that the artificial intelligence market is expected to grow to 738 billion by 2030, showing the huge potential both the cloud and AI markets have in the future. With this information about the cloud and AI's future market potential on the conservative end of my price prediction, and not financial advice, just my opinion, I think Akash could increase its market cap to around 20 billion, and this would give it a price of $90. On the higher end of my price prediction, and this is based on both the AI market and storage markets continuing to grow as mentioned above, if Akash was able to get to a market cap of around 34 billion, this would give it a price of $150. I believe a price of between $90 and $150 Akash is possible in the next bull run. But how many Akash would you need to be a millionaire in the next bull run? Using CoinStats, a crypto profit calculator, if we enter the current price and a predicted sell price of $90, we can see it require an investment of $51,000 at today's price to get to the $1 million mark in the next bull run. If we do the same again, but this time set the sell price at the very high end of our price target prediction of $150, you would need an investment of around $31,000 at today's price to get to $1 million mark in the next bull run. At the $90 price prediction, you would need to buy around 11,000 Akash tokens, which is an investment of $51,000 at today's price to become a millionaire in the next bull run. At the very high end of our $150 price prediction, you would need to buy around 6,800 Akash tokens, which is an investment of $31,000 at today's price to become a millionaire in the next bull run. Akash Network Future Outlook. I believe Akash's future outlook looks exciting. Even though it's a fairly new project to the market, the introduction of its Supercloud, which gives companies a way of addressing compute resources, including GPUs, I think is a game changer when it comes to the artificial intelligence market. Also, Akash offers a much more cost-effective cloud computing solution for users. It's 80% cheaper than its centralized competitors like Google Cloud and Amazon Web Services, so this will make it very appealing to users and companies as well. With all this said, I think Akash has a real use case for both cloud computing space and artificial intelligence market, so I look forward to closely watching to see how Akash can continue to grow and gain further adoption in the next few years.